Bishop Kevin Bolin formally established in our diocese an Office for the Protection of Children and Young People. He named Steve Williams the director, and I was to be his assistant. And over the course of the years, my job title changed to Safe Environment Coordinator as my responsibilities grew. And as of July 1st, I'm now the director of the office. Mr. Williams had taken his retirement as of June 30th, well-deserved. He worked very hard in establishing the office and making sure that all of our parishes, schools, and social service entities had a good program in place set up for the protection of children in compliance for the charter. And he laid out the groundwork, and I'm just following along in his footsteps, trying to make sure everything stays on an even keel. We have a number of categories that we're accountable for. We have to prove that everybody who's been active during a particular year has met all three of our compliance components. That is, they've attended the Virtues training and they're registered on the Virtues system. They've had a criminal background check done at a minimum of once every 5 years, and they've agreed to abide by our diocesan code of conduct. A lot of people are very hesitant at first to be part of this program. They don't understand why they have to take the Virtues training or have a background check. And the point is, this works. It does so much to keep our children safe. Our first recommendation, if you feel like a child is in imminent danger, we ask you to call the Department of Family and Children's Services for your county and report that you suspect a child is being physically or sexually abused and where they are. You can make this report anonymous. You can also call your local police department. We find defects, though, will be turned over that case by the police department anyway, so we recommend going directly to the source. Every diocese in the country is requested to participate in an annual audit each year. The USCCB wants to ensure that if we've promised and pledged to adhere by the Charter for the Protection of Children and Young People, that we're doing everything we can to keep that promise. I will say in my current database of people who are active, both employed and volunteered at this time, I have a little bit over 14,700 people in that database.
And what was the results of the recent audit?
We passed. We were good. We do have a toll-free number in our diocese if you're aware of something taking place with the child in the churches or schools for you to call us. It's available quite often in the Southern Cross. It's also available on my office's website. We also have reporting forms and procedures you can follow on that website.